Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2009 Mercedes ML350. The 350 is a 3.5 liter V6. This is 4Matic, so it's all-wheel drive. It's Alpine White with black interior. 2009 was an important year. They changed the front end and the rear end of the vehicle, updated it, as well as the side mirrors, and some changes on the inside as well. Body's in very nice condition. There's absolutely no rust. It's not dinged at all. The wheels are in nice shape. White is a great color on an ML. It just really shows off the body lines. This has the stainless steel skid plates in the front and the rear. Gives it a real aggressive look. Has a power tailgate. Just press the remote. It opens up. It's a handy feature. Naturally, the back seats will fold down flat. Give you a lot of cargo space. Push the button again. There we go. On the inside, you have power heated seats on both sides, power moonroof, automatic climate control, rain sensing wipers, stability control. This has premium sound. And it also has navigation. It's on right now. Steering wheel controls. It even has paddle shifts if you want to shift the transmission manually. So look at the rear seat. It's a little dark. Very nice looking SUV. Great for any time of the year. Lots of room. Very good maintenance history. Please check out the Carfax. Thanks for looking in. Give us a call, and we'd love to be able to show you this vehicle.